Okay, I'm going to start another tire here. I have no idea why this one is leaking. I'm going to jack it up with the air jack and then take it off. And try to find out what's wrong with it. First, I'm going to look for a leak on the tread. I'm sure everybody knows how to go around and look for a nail or anything. Put soapy water on it. Don't see anything in it, so I'm just going to do the soapy water. This tire's low on air. I'm going to fill it up first. Okay, filled it up to about 90 pounds. That should be plenty to find a leak. Okay, not finding a leak in the tread, so we'll have to take the tire off to see where it is, because it's a inside tire. I can't really reach the valve stem to see if it's leaking, so I'll have to take the outside tire off to check the valve stem. That's the first thing I'll see if it's leaking. The tire was stuck on the wheel. I couldn't get the tire to come loose. I had to use the tire tool between the drum and the rim to finally break it loose. I got it loose. I'm just getting the back side of it loose now. Okay, my first check, now that I got it off the truck, is down here on the valve stem. That's a real popular place, and it looks like that's our culprit right there. But before I call myself done, I'm going to check all of this too. See if there's see a rim leak anywhere. We may have to break this down and change that. I might be able to get away with just tightening up the nut on that. That usually works. That's going to move. I'll have to hold it with the pliers. I'm out of soapy water. I have to go get more water. That got it. That got it. That's all I needed to do was tighten that down. Of course, it's going to leak again someday, but if I can get through winter, that'd be great. All right,